Oh! Pag-peace ka na naman. Kala ko ba nakaputi ka? Kaya nga, nakita ko. Kasumot.
11, so what's your wish? Ay, naka-ear ko. Nakakataan pa yun. What's your wish? I wish for everyone to have a blessed day.
Amen.
I don't know.
Ay!
I know. Wala lang. Minsan lang. So, JJ, it's your birthday. We are so blessed to have you in JLA, especially for the Kids Church. So, pwede po ba natin i-raise ang ating mga kamay? Si JJ ay gonna blow the cake pala. Pwede ko po ba tawagan yung mommy at saka yung daddy, syempre. Baka... Ma'am, meron ka bang wish for your one and only?
Alam niyo po itong batang to, napakakulit. Siguro lahat naman po ng mga batang makulit po ba? Pero